Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are taking you on a culinary journey to Goa as we unveil the secret of this homemade Goan Xacuti Masala. You can use this masala to make chicken, seafood and vegetable curry. So now let's begin with this recipe. First, in a hot pan add oil, add 1 onion roughly cut, add 2-inch ginger, add 2 garlic cloves and fry this until it is nice and brown. Something like this. Then add 4 tablespoons dry coriander seeds, 10 cloves, 1 star anise, half mace spice, 14 black peppercorns, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds, 3 Kashmiri dry red chillies, 3 Goan dry red chillies, and then fry this for about 2 minutes. Then leave this aside in a separate plate. Then in a same hot pan add 140 grams of freshly grated coconut and fry this until it is slightly brown, something like this. Then leave this aside in a separate bowl. Then take a mixer jar, add all the fried spices and chilies and also add the fried grated coconut. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup water and blend this to a smooth paste. So there you have it. Our Goan Xacuti Masala is ready to take your taste buds on a trip to Goa. Now I'm dying to know what are your favorite ways to use this Xacuti Masala. Leave a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share my recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.